Look at our viewers, well, I got a few projects out the way. I thought, well, I wanted to change the motor in this Bank Arena Boombox. I got my Sanyo one working. The Sanyo one, the motor is just a bit weak. It was seized. I couldn't get it to bloody turn. I had to take the motor out and just turn it with the pliers on the shaft. And add dabs of sewing machine oil in there, or 3-in-1 oil. And that got it sorted, but it's a bit slow and underpowered. That motor's tired. I've got the Pie or York Boombox working good. The wheels on the take-up fast forward wheels, the grease and turn the glue, that's all been fixed in that. So that Boombox works good. This and here I'm left to the fix now. After I've done this, I'll move on to that Sony radio, which needs capacitors. It does work, but absolutely nothing from the audio, nothing. I thought, well, how am I going to fix this? Well, I thought that motor was buggered because that transistor that was there has been cut off out of circuit. I thought, oh, I got a car head unit motor. Close voltage that match. But to get this thing out, to replace that motor, was an absolute bloody nightmare. So I thought, well, maybe I'll get a transistor from somewhere else. I got a transistor out of the CFL light. Because all it is just regulating the voltage to that motor as a speed, to increase the motor's speed with a potentiometer inside the back of that motor. Transistor like that would more than likely be a good candidate for a replacement. To show it off, I touched the leads under those 3 leads and the motor worked. So now I've got that transistor soldered in. It shouldn't go anywhere. It's pretty stiff, it's not going to go anywhere. I shouldn't need to put it under here. It was an old metal case transistor, so there's a date, 14th of October 1976. Matsushita, 9-volt DC motor. There's a potentiometer and end to adjust the speed, but it's a bit... The belts have to be changed. That's weak. Counter belts are up. This belt, oh, that's no torque on that. The head belts are gone. When I press play, it won't stay. Why won't it stay and play? There we go. Yeah, it needs to be maintained. I think it needs to be lubricated. It is a nice mechanism. Very nice quality mechanism. So I love... that's what I love about these old radios, these old Japanese radio cassette ones. Very good quality, build quality. They were basic in the cassette department, but damn, they were good build quality. Look at the metal in there, that's just quality stuff. You don't get that anymore. That's all the way it is. Nice TO3 transistors, and I think one might be a regulator for the power, and I think one's an audio amplifier. I get my light, I get a reading on those. Let's get the camera light on. What have we got here? Matsushita 2SB491, 2SB481. Panasonic transistors. We've got a tweeter and a main speaker, 4-watt, 4 ohms, and 8 ohm tweeter. Comes with a tweeter in this thing. I wonder why it sounds so good.
Yeah, but not about the library.
Oh, yeah, of course about the library.
Really?
Oh,
I got a front of a place with a 100k pot for the volume. Been broken.
Because I'm quirky and you're perky. And you just don't know that's good. Quirky? What are you, Dave? What's your word here to describe quirky?
Quirky. What were you again?
Yeah, it's a bit touchy because it's broken.
There you go.
There's like a plastic slider inside in that metal handle. That metal part goes in the plastic slider. Underneath the plastic slider there's a carbon part for the brush and the slide track. Well, that plastic part that holds that metal tab on is broken on there, so... I keep an eye. They have got some old vintage TV parts in storage, which I think is a slide pot just like that somewhere. Hopefully it's the same value. It should bolt straight on there if it's the same size. So at least now the cassette is all working. Needs maintenance. It's going to be a bit of a mission to change the belt in there. She's a bit tight. It's only got one tooth for the take-up that drives the tape. Interesting. It'll play, just a take-up, just needs to be freed up. Pause works. Needs to be maintained. That's not even very, you gotta lubricate all that. The motor's nice and strong, that's a good thing. Alright, now I'm gonna have to put the front half of the unit back together. That's done. I'm gonna put the front half back on. The instructions are here, which is really cool. You've got to undo 3 of these long screws, and that just comes off here, here, and here, and it just pops up and lifts off. Then there's 3 screws here, here, and here, which your dial fascia comes off, and the back comes off in a very similar way. It slides. Very nicely built, this thing. I do like it. Nice heavy duty tuning capacitor too. Good stuff. It's a little better, but needs more work. I did rubber renew everything. I placed the belt. The belt could be obstructed maybe. Interesting. Interesting. Ah well. It's better than what it was. Needs more work in progress. Let's just go to an auxiliary input and everything.
Full strength. Right now it operates in respect of
anyway,
New South Wales and
that'll be enough for now. I'll finish this later. Just got to get it all together properly. It's just packed so damn tight in there. It's just a nightmare to work on. The belt has to go a certain pattern without wires or anything resting against the belt. It's just so damn tight in there. Got to be very careful when I put it back together.
They cover
Anyway.
the 30 December period of last year. It's part of
From local acoustic too. It's a fabulous day out for your Easter celebrations.
Get in there, viewers. Get in there.
Don't miss the fun. Bookings are
Getting there.
Call Trentham Estate today.
Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.